Hi there, Sally here. Today I want to talk about whether or not you're eligible to claim tax relief from HMRC for any uniform or workwear that you may have to wear for work. You can claim for cleaning costs, repair costs and replacement costs, but not the initial purchase of the uniform. As with all claims, there are parameters that need to be met in order for you to actually make a claim. So I'll go through now and tell you what those are. So first of all, your uniform must identify you as working for a specific profession. So for example, police officer, nurse, farrier, blacksmith, cabin crew, pilot, just to give you an idea of what this actually means. There are a significant number of professions that can actually claim for tax relief on workwear. So if you happen to wear overalls or any kind of sort of special workwear in order to be able to do your job, then you are eligible. Safety shoes is another one. The second criteria is that your employer requires you to wear this uniform in order to do your job. The third criteria is that you have to clean, repair or replace your uniform without any reimbursement or without full reimbursement from your employer. If your employer pays for all of these costs, then you cannot claim any tax relief. If your employer does pay for some of the costs towards your cleaning and repairing of uniform, then you can only claim tax relief on the difference between what you pay and what they pay. So if you pay £100 and your employer pays £50, then you can only claim for £50. And the fourth criteria is that you are actually paying pay as you earn in the years that you want to claim. If you meet this criteria, then you can claim tax relief for this current year. And to be fair, time is running out now, so it's the end of the tax year in April. So if it is something that you want to do, you need to get onto it, because you can also claim for the previous 4 years. So you want to make sure that you don't miss out on a year just because you make your claim late. Now, HMRC does assume a flat rate for certain professions. Now, the flat rate per year that HMRC thinks people spend on repairing, cleaning and replacing uniforms is anywhere between £60 and £185 for most professions. Now, there are two exceptions to this. If you're cabin crew, you can claim relief on up to £720 per year. If you're a pilot, you can claim relief on up to £1,022 per year for those costs. So that's quite significant. Ambulance staff can claim £185 per year for their uniform. Once you've made that first claim, HMRC will then adjust your tax rate going forward and increase it to take into consideration these costs every year. If you've spent more than the flat rate and you've kept all your receipts to prove it, then, so for example, maybe your uniform has to be dry cleaned rather than washed in the washing machine. If you've got all of your receipts, you can send these off to HMRC along with a P87 form and get tax relief on the actual amount that you've spent in this year and the previous 4 years if you've got the receipts. I'll put the link at the bottom for you for the form, so you can find that really easily. If you found this video informative, please like it and follow me and share it for anybody else that may benefit from this information. And thanks for watching. See you next time.